National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a flash flood warning for Sedgwick County in east central Kansas.
Glad we could help.
Nice work. I won't forget it.
You really won't.
Discover the elephant difference today.
Is struggling with acne as an adult forcing you to alter your wardrobe? Adopt a new hairstyle. Stop hiding your acne and start fighting.
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for north central DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southern Boone County in north central Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Kirkland, or 9 miles south of Belvedere, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Kingston around 7:20 p.m., Belvedere around 7:25 p.m., Marengo around 7:45 p.m. This includes the following interstate, I-90 between mile markers 43 and 56. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.